Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today and for this week. Before looking into that, let us see what happened in the last few days, because we had not posted any video presentations at the end of this year. Now let us see what happened the last few days. The chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart. That means all the single candlestick here represents 1 hour. And whenever I place the cursor or any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. These vertical dotted lines indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. So this was the zone where we left our trading. You can see the date below on 17/12/2012. So after breaking 4,820, we expected the market to gain all its buying strength. So what happened after that? The price went up till 4,920. So what we expected was that whether the price has got the potential to test 5,000 zones. So the price went up till 4,960. So you can see the market was finding a bit of resistance around 4,960, and we also know that 4,920 is a possible support zone. So these zones we had marked it. Now let us see what happened after that. The price couldn't sustain 4,960 and it came down, but you can see this was the zone which provided a breakout, which means that after the price testing 4,860, it pushed here exactly after it was 4,880. We can say it is acting as an intermediate zone. So whenever we say support or resistance, we always say it is a zone. We cannot expect the price to exactly come and test this zone. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it bounces back at the earlier stage. So the price came down around 4,880 and it gave a bounce back, and it tried to put something above 4,920 on Saturdays. You can see these tiny zones that represent Saturdays on 22nd. Then the price so we can find some resistance around 4,920, but still this 4,880 is acting as a very good support, because the price staying above the average always will have some buying momentum. So the price on 26th, you can see after a holiday on 25th, the price opened near the zone, consolidated here for a long time, and it gave a clear breakout on 4,920. So the price, I think it was on a Wednesday that where we got the inventory report. I hope so. 26 falls on Wednesday. So it gave a clear momentum, and what happened? So the price tested 5,000. So this was the zone which we were expecting. 5,000 was tested, and the price, you can see these dotted lines indicates the closing. The price closed around 4,980. Then next day also the price continuously climbed, and it entered we know this 5,000 can provide a bit of resistance because it is a big number. 5,000 is quite a big number. It can provide resistance, but the momentum is completely for the buyers. So the price tested on 27th. The price completely stayed above 5,000, but there was some a drop. You can see that 4,980 is now acting as a support, because you can see this is the zone where the price found resistance. We can say this 4,960 as a support, because as I told earlier, it is a zone and it is not a single line. Now we can see that on 31st also, after picking up 5,000 as a resistance, the price came down and tested 4,960, where it failed earlier here. So it is converted into a support zone. From there the price got some momentum on 31st, the end of 2012, and closed around above 5,000. So it is as far on 5,012. Yesterday the price had a bit of price actions and completely staying within 5,029. So on seeing the entire price action, it is very clear that the price is taking a good buying momentum. So today also we can expect the price to open more or less around 5,030 to 20 zone. There is no much difference. We don't expect much difference in the price opening, but on seeing the entire analysis price actions, you can very well say that the price has got a good buying momentum. But we should be careful with these 5,000 zones, but what we as a technicals, it says that the price is taking 4960 as a good support till 4920. You can expect the market to stay in buying. So till 4920, why we have picked it? You know it very clearly that the price was taking a resistance around 4920. Only this breakout that happened on the inventory and during the inventory report changed the entire scenario, that pushed the price to 5000. So what we expect till 4920, you can go for buying. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. And the target zone, 5000, if it continues to stay above this 5020 zone, 5100 is the next target zone. Let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.